Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get weather forecast or weather prediction in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the weather forecast, you need to open the watch menu. Okay, and then you can click on this icon, the cloud. Alright, and then you will get the weather prediction for a week. Okay, yeah, just like this, and you can go back, and I'm going to close it. Okay, that's a simple, right? Just open the watch and click on this menu, and you will get the weather forecast for a week in Heartopia. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the weather forecast or weather prediction in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel.